Yes, a big update coming in on the Gyanvapi hearing by the Supreme Court. ASI survey to begin at 7 a.m. tomorrow. The team of the ASI official in Varanasi. Survey team set to begin work tomorrow. The Gyanvapi Mosque survey. In fact, the Supreme Court is all set to hear the survey by the ASI, and that will begin at 7 a.m. tomorrow. The ASI survey itself to begin at 7 a.m. tomorrow, right before the hearing of the Supreme Court. ASI survey to begin surveying the area to check if at all there was a temple that lay beneath that mosque. The team of the ASI officials are currently in Varanasi. The survey team to begin work tomorrow. In fact, this comes ahead of the hearing in the Supreme Court on the Gyanvapi survey. And even before the hearing begins, the ASI team is already in Varanasi. Let me cut across to Samarth Srivastava joining us for more on that. Samarth, tell us more on the ASI survey. What is due to be carried out as per the lower court and the lower court hearing. The case has said that an ASI survey should be allowed. And ASI teams are already at the spot. 7 a.m. tomorrow, they're going to begin the survey. What exactly is going to be their quest?
See, Nabila, it was decided on that particular day when the lower court already instructed the ASI to submit the report by 4th of July. Though it was said that the survey could start by 1 of July, but significantly, a meeting took place with the Commissioner of Varanasi, and suddenly it was decided that ASI would start conducting its survey from 7 a.m. morning to tomorrow. It's going to be huge because earlier we saw what impact the ASI survey had during that Ayodhya temple case, and now the same is happening in the Gyanvapi case. Though the Muslim side is saying that they will approach to the High Court, maybe that could be the reason why it has been happening a bit before, because ASI was all set from the very start, even during the time when the matter was taken to the Supreme Court by the Muslim side. Though it is worth mentioning here that that particular Wazukhana area that is already being sealed by the DM of Varanasi as per the instructions of the Supreme Court won't be touched by the ASI as directed by the Supreme Court, because the case is already in the Supreme Court and that has to be decided in the mid of August. But the remaining area of the mosque will be surveyed by the ASI, and that will happen in the presence of Hindu advocates, Muslim advocates, and those practitioners who did that particular thing. So that's going to be very, very crucial now. That will happen for the benefit. That could be the major breaking point
right.
for the Hindu side.
Stay with us, Samarth. I'm going to quickly cut across to Vishnu Jain, who's a petitioner and a lawyer in this Gyanvapi case. Vishnu Jain, tomorrow the ASI at 7 a.m. will be conducting a survey there. What's really going to be the quest here of the ASI teams as per your demands?
See, we had already made an application before the district judge Varanasi seeking ASI survey of this entire premises within the barricading area. And the Honorable District Judge Varanasi, after hearing both the parties, on 14th of July reserved its order, and on 21st of July the Honorable District Judge Varanasi has directed the Archaeological Survey of India to conduct a scientific survey in a particular manner. And how this survey has to be conducted is also mentioned. Where this survey has to be conducted is also mentioned. The order of the District Judge Varanasi is very, very clear and specific that this survey has to be conducted within the barricading. It has to be conducted on the western wall. It has to be conducted beneath the 3 central domes. It has to be ascertained in this survey that what is the age of the pillars of the Hindu temple which were found. The shikhars of the Hindu temple which are beneath the 3 central domes have to be ascertained. Apart from that, there are many artificial walls which are there in this premises in question, and there are many secrets which are behind these artificial walls. So that also has to be investigated by way of a GPR, by way of ground penetrating radar. So all these exercises will be conducted in compliance of the orders of the district judge, and the sacrosanct principle is that without causing any damage to the structure, this entire survey will be conducted.
Now, the Supreme Court is also due to take up this case, and the hearing will begin soon. But here, the court has also very sternly said not to touch the Wazukhana area. Are you fine by that as a petitioner?
See, for the Wazu area, already there is an order of the Allahabad High Court on 12th of May directing the survey to be conducted in the Wazu area. So excluding the Wazu area, and that matter is pending in the Supreme Court. The next date of hearing in that matter is on 29th of August. So excluding the Wazu area, the rest of the entire premises which is within the barricading has to be surveyed by an ASI. And the point in issue is this, that as of now there is no petition which we have received officially from Anjuman Intizamiya where the order of district judge is under challenge before the Supreme Court. What I have received is a letter from Anjuman Intizamiya saying that they will mention this matter tomorrow, but what they are going to mention has not been apprised to us. I have made detailed communications with the lawyers of Anjuman Intizamiya to give me a copy of the petition as to what they are filing, but no copy of the petition has been received till date as of now when I am talking to you. So I believe, and the legal communication is this, that no petition has been filed. There is already a pending petition pertaining to the 7/11 order,
Right.
which was passed by Allahabad High Court on 31st of May. Against that, they are seeking an urgent listing. So we have no difficulty if there is an urgent listing of the petition seeking a 7/11 issue. But so far as stay of the proceedings is concerned, so far as stay of the order of the district judge is concerned, we have not received any petition which is challenged that order.
All right, we're really looking forward to see what the ASI finds. 7 a.m. tomorrow is when it's going to begin. How long will it take? All right, thank you very much, Vishnu Jain, for joining us on that. And Samarth Srivastava, who's tracking those developments. India Today will be on the story surely at 7 a.m. tomorrow. The ASI survey will start its survey. The teams will start its survey at the Gyanvapi Mosque site to find out indeed if there was a temple that lay beneath the mosque.